searching for sanity till it drives us away to that place in the wilderness, in the deep of your mind. You remember that happiness wasn't easy to find. Why do we spend time alone? Why don't we end nights together? Isn't it time to come home?
I can't stop the rain from falling. Do what you must do. I can only hope to share the pain I gave to you.
We can climb to another world if we never look down. We can join in the avalanche and be thrown to the ground. If I'm still a part of your life, come lay your head on my pillow and tell me to hold you tonight.